Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode. Yesterday I made an announcement saying that today I'm going to make a very important announcement. So of course I made a joke saying that it is going to be important for me also. So I'm very happy to announce our next conference, Options Conclave 3.0. And last time I had a conference in Dubai. Many people asked, sir, we cannot come to Dubai, why don't you do it in India? So that is why this time we have decided to do in India, in Kochi, Kerala. So Options Conclave 3.0 Kochi from December 20 to December 24. Now I tell you what way we are unique. So we are structuring in a very interesting way. Our conference is going to have two parts. Part 1 will be 2-night, 3-day compulsory structured program. And then those who want to stay back for another 2 nights and 2 days and for informal discussion, an informal meeting, that won't be a structured one, it will be totally informal. So you can stay back for 2 more days. That is an optional module. A lot of interesting speakers are lined up. So of course I will be one of the speakers, no need to say. But in addition to that, one of my best friends, Mr. Srikanth, and he was a very star speaker in Dubai. So he will also be a speaker here, and he will be showing live trading. Then I'll just to name few people who are going to be speakers. One is Rachana Ranade. I don't think that I have to introduce Rachana Ranade to you. Anand Lada, Invest Arch for Kal, young and energetic guy. So he will be a speaker. Then because I am coming to Kerala, so I have to put at least one Keralite as a speaker, right? So Sharik Samsudin, so he will also be a speaker. And in fact, I tried few other people, but they are not available. But definitely we will, these conferences we will continue to do. At least 2 or 3 conferences in a year, so we will enroll. So particularly I was interested in inviting Subhashish Pani, a favorite among traders, but he was not free at that time. I can tell you myself, Mr. Sharath, Santosh Pasi, Vijay Thakre, Rachana Ranade, Anand Lada, Sharik Samsudin. So these are the 7 or 8 people have been confirmed as of now. But we are trying to get some more speakers also. And in case, if you think you have something good to share with us, you can always contact us. You can contact my office. You can tell us something brief about what you are doing. And you have to explain to us why it is worth sharing. And of course, I will interview you. So if you find that you are suitable, then definitely we are ready to showcase you in the conference. So my aim is to introduce new traders, new speakers, at least 1-2 persons per conference. In fact, in Dubai, I was the only known speaker. The rest, all speakers are new people. This conference is going to be a very prestigious one. And the title sponsor for this conference is none other than Delta.exchange. So we will also be talking about crypto. So my son is very much into crypto, so he will be sharing, I forgot, actually my son will also be a speaker, so he will be talking about crypto. We have signed up some more sponsors, the pricing details all given in the description. The venue is Crown Plaza, Kochi. So it's a 5-star hotel. We will be restricting ourselves to maximum 200 people because we don't want a too big group. So please, you can pay now, so to confirm your booking, and because you need to book the flight ticket to Kochi also. So that's why we are giving. Although we are actually not ready to launch officially, we may take about another 1 week, 10 days to launch officially. So this is an unofficial, in real estate they call it as pre-launch offer. So we have 4 payment options. And starting from 60,000 rupees inclusive of GST. So this is going to be a very prestigious event. And then we have signed up 5 gold sponsors, Rigi, Jainam, Fyers, Espresso, TaxBuddy. And we are also in discussion with some media partners, and because it has not been confirmed yet, so I'm just not going to mention the name, but 99% we will be signing up with a media partner also. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.